Okay, this next one, this is the folder called uh, Assemble Car. Okay, um, and again, you'll find that in the same location as the other ones. You're going to put this car together. Notice you got the different sides and stuff. So we'll just start out by just going to New. I'm going to show you how to put these axles in and the wheels in and stuff using the insert or the make command. So we'll do New. And this is all in inches, so you do standard inch IAM right here. Okay, and the first one that I would bring in uh, is going to be the one of the sides, and then make sure that one's is grounded. Sorry, I'm trying to do two things. I can't think. Okay, so we'll bring in one of the sides. Okay, thinking, yeah, either one of these side, just the regular side. I'll make sure here in a minute. I'll put this into isometric view, zoom out, and put one in here, and then put another one over here. Okay, and then go ahead and press escape, and then make sure you shut off your um, under view object visibility. Shut off these planes because they just kind of get in the way. So you can just do all work features if you want. Origin planes usually does it. I don't think there's any other ones, so just do that one. And then, looking at this, then you get the front and back. Those are called front, and we just use two fronts over here. Okay. Um, Now, right here, this one, the first one you bring in, let's right mouse click that and make that grounded. Okay, so that way that one doesn't move. It's in the right spot. So let's go ahead and go back to assemble, go place, and we'll do the front. And we'll put two of those in. Okay. I'm not going to get into how to put these together. You guys can put those together um, just by using mate and flush. So I'm going to pause this and get to that point where they're all together. And I'll go ahead and show this in case somebody doesn't remember how to do it. So, go to constraint, and I'll finish this one here. So these need to be flush with that and that. And I've already did the other ones. Go to apply, and then this one here, I'm going to make this mate this to that. You can do it in the back one too if you want. I'm going to apply, and I'm going to flush this with that. Apply, and then flush the top of this, top of that. Go to apply. Okay. So there's that. Okay. Now we're going to put the axles in. So let's go to place. We'll put two axles in. Notice they're kind of rotated differently. That's fine. We'll get that here real quick. Go to place, and we're going to put, there's a front wheel. Get two of those. And a back wheel. I don't think it matters. I think they're all the same. I'd use that blue one. All right. I don't care what you make, the front or the back, but anyway. So we're gonna go to constraint and put these in. We're gonna use let's see. Let's do it two ways. I'm gonna show you the mate command where we're gonna mate the center lines. So if I come here to this, I'm gonna mate the center line of this with the center line of this hole. Okay, so you have to kind of move it till you get it where it shows the center line. And then that will put that in there. And you can kind of look at it and see where it is. But now what we want to do is we're going to flush the end of this with that. Okay, see it's flushed. Then we're going to go to the top view. Okay, and kind of zoom in. But we're going to offset this, okay? Offset right here. Well, let's go 1. Type in 1. See, oh, that goes the wrong way. All right, so let's do a negative 1. Negative 1. Whoops. 11. There we go. And actually, that's pretty good because we want it centered. I offset it negative 1 there. And go to apply. And then this other one, we're going to do an insert. Okay. This one right here, insert. What this does is it inserts and it makes a mate and a flush constraint, just like what we did here with this one. It's going to first mate that center line with this center line, okay? And if you look at it, all right, you know what? I'm going to redo that one. I'll show you what we're doing. So we'll go to constraint, and we'll do the insert right here. And then as you come up here, notice how I got to zoom in on this. When I put my cursor there, see how it does the center line, but then it's also making that flush. See how it's highlighting it? If I move down in this direction, it's going to highlight this end. So if I click that, and then I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here and rotate this around. I'm going to zoom in on this hole. And then when I go to this center point, notice I can either choose the outside or the inside of that hole, and I'm going to choose the outside and the center line. So you're doing a flush and a mate at the same time, or in a mate to the center line. And then it does that, and if you look at it, that's, and if you kind of zoom in, you can kind of see it right there, okay? So it did that, but now what we're going to do is we're going to offset it. So I'm just going to go to the top view, and we're going to offset it. I'm guessing here, let's go 3. And we'd have to do -3, right? -3. Okay, that's not quite right, so let's go -5. Oh, that's too far, so let's go 4. All right, so that looks pretty good, I think. And it's like, go to apply. And then what you're going to do is now you're going to do the insert command, but you're going to put these wheels, and I want to see that part right there. See how it's kind of cut out? I want that to be facing out. Okay, so we're going to come into here, and I'm going to choose the outside of that, make the center line, and flush the outside. And if I zoom out here, whoops, and I choose that, see how it kind of rotates it? Oh, hey, that's actually good. If that doesn't quite work right, then you can change the solution right here, and it'll flip it around. See, by clicking this, if it doesn't go quite the right way, okay, you can flip it around. You can do that with anything, okay? And then what I want you to do, you could offset that a little bit if you want, going in just by doing the offset, and then go ahead and do the other 4 tires and put those in. Also, let's say, I think this is the wheel right here. Let's say you put it in, you forgot to offset it. So what you do is you just find the wheel or whatever it is, click that, and then down here you can offset it. I'm going to do 0.25. Let's see where that goes. And hit enter. It goes now. If that wasn't the right way, I could do -0.25 and hit enter. So it goes the other way. Okay. So do that, 0.25. So offset that 0.25. Go ahead and put the other holes or the other wheels in, and that's it.